something broader about the struggle of human rights relevance in relation to climate change, and also in relation to the potential effects of the judgment in broader ways in climate litigation for those states that have historically participated or been very important in shaping a legal and economic system that drives climate change. I think that's a really important point, and much could be said about the potential very contested or debated effects of that judgment, and then the future advisory opinion on the regulation of corporations and horizontal litigation. There too the debate is extremely intense. The former president of the European Court of Human Rights, Robert Spano, is telling the world in webinars that clima senioring is irrelevant for that question. So there too there's this proxy debate about what are other courts or other narratives or other actors going to do with that judgment. So I think that space merits to be watched. And maybe if I can end one more note about the media and communication, because I found that the World Youth for Climate Justice did a fantastic job. However, somehow it's really difficult to make sure the message of what's actually happening, or even just the existence of those proceedings in media, I can only speak for Switzerland, but it was extremely hard, or it continues to be extremely hard, to even communicate the fact that this is happening in The Hague. So to conclude, I think we need to be very attentive of how these references are made. Do they align, or do they downplay the relevance of human rights law? And that we have a challenge for which I don't have a solution in terms of communicating the importance of what is, after all, the biggest proceedings that have ever taken place in The Hague.